Yeah.
Go get you one. Go get you one. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, today's been a productive day because I've been on my content stuff, filming for promotions. I edited a video and I posted it already. Now I'm posting another one, like, yeah. And then we're also gonna be packing in this video because I'm going to the city this weekend. So yeah, like, catch me in the city, like, what? Today is Monday, July 21st, and it is 5:20 p.m. I have to start packing. I was gonna wait, but I have all the way until the weekend, but still, I just want to have everything ready because I also have to pack my daughter's stuff too. It's not just me. So yeah, it's not just me anymore. I have to pack my stuff, her stuff, get us ready and all that. So yeah, I'm doing laundry right now. I don't know if I'm gonna show that part. Probably not. I don't know, but I have to do my nails. I'm doing my nails real short though. Yeah. Also, be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here. And yeah, before we get started into this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Cause we trying to get up there, you feel me? We trying to get up there. And I don't got time to be playing around with y'all. But yeah, I'm about to start picking up in my room because I cleaned yesterday, but not fully. And I didn't get to finish, so I'm gonna just do that today. I need to leave my room clean before I leave, so that's that. Y'all see that? Coffee up there, all that. And I just cleaned this, mind you. I just got rid of this stuff, and now it's there again. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Huh. Hi.
Today, I think for like 12,
Me and the baby gotta pack a lot. I have this summer. We gotta take a lot of panties and bras. Yeah.
Refresh your routine with Faqs. Chef-prepared meals.
Then we need some long pants. It's over hot. So I'm gonna put me and my daughter's stuff in the same bag because I don't feel like carrying it too much, and then I gotta carry my electronics as well in a different bag, so I don't want to carry my bag in a different bag, and then her bag, and then an electronic bag. We're not doing that. So yeah, so I got a pair of spandex, even though it's summer, but you know, listen, all right. I'm gonna be going. It's gonna be cold in there, so yeah. So I got a pair of jeans. Well, 3 pair of jeans. I might bring a pair of sweats. I only need like 3 because we staying in the city for 4 days, and then we're gonna PA for 1 or 2 days. Then we gotta bring. We can't forget the faja. Come on now. She don't want to lay down no more. That's it.
You. Are you having so much fun? Obviously, conduct. I spoke to Jen. She thinks that she might have a lead on a job. I was going to copy work for.
I'm treating them. Push it back now. I
Spandex.
just let's make more talking on you.
I can watch.
I mean, you don't have to do that.
Really? No, it's no problem. It'll be a lot of fun. Thank you. That's a big help.
Bra and faja. The faja I'm gonna leave out because I might wear it tomorrow. Now I have to pack her stuff. Baby, do we have space in here for you? I don't think so. Nah. I gotta see. I gotta take all this out probably again and repack. Cause I'm gonna have to sit shoe, baby. Alright, I'm gonna try to see how I'm gonna do this. Oh man. Alright, hold on. I gotta do this over, guys. This nigga think he paid bills in here. Just busting in my room. Real cute. Still the shower. And these are my natural curls. Yeah, see that. And low key, I think I have type 4A, if I'm not mistaken, because I thought I had like 3B, 3C, but I think it's 3C in some of them. But then some of them is, alright, see this right here? That's type 4. Nobody tell me nothing. So yeah, my hair got all types of curl patterns in it, but I'm gonna be using this to curl my hair. The twisties I did in the curly hair routine, I'm gonna do that again, but in a different way a little bit, and then I'm gonna use this leave-in cream thing. Yeah, anti-breakage. I'm not gonna do them small like I did before because that takes too much time. And then I have my little clips, rubber bands, botana oil for at the end, you know, and then my little brush. I got this off of Amazon. To be honest, I don't like it like that. Like, I was using it in the shower, and I feel like this messed it up. And then how thin this is, so it's like easy to break. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. But this whole thing, if the rest of the brush was like this, like hard like this, it would have been, yeah. But I'm gonna just do like bigger parts. See, like y'all see how curls are when it's like no product in it and stuff like that. I mean, I have product in it, but you see how it's not defined really. I mean, it's defined, but the roots is poofy. You see how that is? I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna twist it. I'm back. It was hiding somewhere because I be spraying my cat with it. When she's acted up, I spray her with it. So yeah, if I look so stiff and slim, y'all already know I have my waist trainer on. I'm waiting for my, well, this is my faja. I'm waiting for my waist trainer. It should have been here today. I don't know, but I got it free from the TikTok shop. It's called Sweet Sweat or something like that. But I'm starting to think I should have tried to get the free gel with it, because I don't know if it come with it. I doubt it. But I'm going to PA to go to Sight and Sound Theater. If y'all don't know what that is, look it up on YouTube. It's Plays of the Bible. And I go, sometimes I'll go every year, but sometimes I don't go. So yeah. But I'm going this time again.
Why are you next to me?
Oh, my order got delivered. Alright, y'all. So this is how it look when you brush it. So I went down to the mailbox, and my package was sitting on top of the mailbox. Like, oh, this actually look cute. But like, this is how it looks. It's called Sweet Sweat. That's what it's called. But yeah, it only came with the faja. It didn't come with the gel thing. I should have checked if I could get a free sample of that. But yeah, I want to promote this today, later probably. Hey y'all, baby, it's like a day later or 2 days later. So remember how I was curling my hair? I mean, I was twisting it because I wanted to do curls. Baby, no. I ended up washing my hair again and just flat ironing it, even though I said I didn't want to flat iron it again. But whatever, like whatever at this point. And I did my lashes. Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to the city, so I gotta look, Even though I don't got nobody to look cute for, but it's alright. Look at Nevaeh. Nevaeh, she wanna say hi to y'all. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. I don't even remember like everything I did in this video, but I'm gonna leave it here and I'm gonna start a new vlog when I'm in the city already because I want to separate the two. Just cause I'm also doing a shorts too. Like I'm in the process of doing a shorts video, so yeah. I'll probably see that first, to be honest. I don't know. But guys, I like my hair. Like I cut it. Like I always had layers, but when my hair was curly, I ended up cutting some of the ends because I wanted that like round look, and then the bangs part, you know what I'm talking about. So I wanted that type of look. So I'm like, damn, when I flat iron it, it's probably gonna be uneven, but it's not really uneven, so that's good. But I bumped the ends just so I could get that little look, like that layered look, even though I have layers, but you know what I'm saying. But my hair got puffy again, so yeah, like you see this, it was straighter than that. That's why I can't. But I'm gonna see you in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell Nevaeh hi. Alright guys, I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna start editing. Well, I'm gonna finish editing this video because I have to work on my next one.